Could the Congress party's defeat in Maharashtra and Haryana have been avoided? And why is the leadership now blaming the EVMs?
नहीं वो ईवीएम छोड़ दो, हमको ईवीएम पीवीएम कुछ नहीं, हमको होना बैलेट पेपर पे वोट बस।
Well, an exclusive report by the Indian Express sheds new light on this matter. Let's break it down for you. In the wake of back-to-back defeats in Maharashtra and Haryana, a section of Congress leaders has started questioning the reliability of the electronic voting machines or EVMs. These are the two states where the BJP had suffered setbacks in Lok Sabha polls just 5 months ago. But there's more to the story than just the EVMs. Some party leaders are now expressing disquiet over how the blame game is being played out. Many Congress leaders told the Indian Express that the Maharashtra defeat shouldn't have come as a big shock. This was backed by internal surveys conducted before the November 20th elections. These surveys clearly indicated that the Maha Vikas Aghadi, an alliance that includes Congress, was struggling to maintain its advantage, especially after their strong performance in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. One survey conducted in October, which covered 103 seats, showed the MVA was losing the advantage it got in the Lok Sabha elections. According to this survey, accessed by the Indian Express, of the 103 strong MVA seats, MVA was ahead in only 44 as compared to the 54 it was ahead in during the Lok Sabha election. In contrast, the BJP-led Mahayuti coalition ahead in 49 seats was leading in 56 seats. It wasn't just about the numbers though. The survey also revealed that the Mahayuti had gained significant ground among key voter segments, especially women. One of the questions in the survey was, are you aware of the Ladki Bahin Yojana? An estimated 88% of the 57,300 respondents answered in the affirmative. 82% of the respondents said there was a beneficiary of the scheme in their family, and 17% said their voting preference has changed because of the scheme. Sources say that within Congress there was an understanding that the MVA was losing its grip, especially among female voters. Party strategists had even suggested that the MVA offer 3,000 rupees in financial aid to women as a counter to the Ladki Bahin Yojana. The Mahayuti had by then promised revising the 1,500 rupees per month installment under Ladki Bahin to 2,100 per month. This survey concluded that Muslims seemed to be the only category where the MVA had an absolute lead over the NDA. In all other segments, general OBCs, SBC, SC, ST, the Mahayuti was ahead of the MVA. However, despite having this data, the leadership is still pointing fingers at the EVMs as the cause of their loss. One Congress leader expressed frustration over this, saying that even though they had the data showing the BJP-led coalition was ahead, the focus shifted to blaming EVMs. The leader pointed out that this blame game served as a face-saving explanation for both state and National Congress leaders. This report is by my colleague Manoj CG, which gives a deeper look into the ongoing challenges within the Congress party. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you so much for watching.